Here is how you action the end of financial year two-step campaign by sending your email today and your SMS at the end of the week. You will go into the property section, you'll clear the filter if you're loading your listings, and you will search in the property details for the property statuses of your prospects if you have prospects. But the two you definitely need are potentials and appraisals. And if you mark your listings that have come off the market as off market, you can select the off market. So that would be the four. The main two you need are potential and appraised. You hit apply filter, and this will give you technically your office pipeline. So every person you know that has a property. I have 37, so let's remember 37. You, however, don't want to send the end of financial year campaign to people that have been appraised or people that you've sold to recently. So if I use the search option in property dates, I'm going to select my appraisal date. The date to will be today, and the date from, let's go back till the 1st of February, so 4 months. We're going to apply, and we can see that inside that group, 7 properties were appraised then. I'm going to use the is and then change this to not. So we'll take that out of our list, which drops it down to 30 properties. The next thing we want to do is search in the property dates, and we want to use the last sold date. The last sold date from today's date back to, again, 4 months ago, will remove anyone that we have technically sold a property to and it's been transferred to the new owner. We can see that we have 1 property in this list. Let's say is not here, and it drops it down to 29. So right now I have the perfect found set to do an end of financial year campaign. Removed any recent appraisals, any recent sales. The first step today would be to send email. It will load the list of people that I have a valid email for. I will then select the end of financial year two-step campaign email. And when we're using the two-step campaign email, there will be 2 things you need to change. Property prices in area and particular your target area have increased dramatically this last year. When you're looking at sending this to a whole database, I would change this. So we just want to change the sentence to property prices in your area. So property prices in, we're going to say your area, have increased dramatically in the last year. Many property owners use this time, etc. And then the next thing you need to change is this, when we will be in your street. Appraisals for, it has target area. So if you focus on one suburb, you could put that in there, but most of you will have a spread database. So it's best just keep it generic. Appraisals for your area are scheduled for day to date. So what we're going to do is put in here, for example, 21st of June to 30th of June. When you're happy and you've changed those 2 sentences, select the update preview. If you are doing this email just to your clients, you'll select your name. You'll then hit the send now, confirm how many people, and you will send the email. If you're an office admin sending it out for all of your sales agents, you will select send from the assigned agent so that this email will go out from the assigned agent working the client and that property. You will then confirm and you will hit send, and your email will be sent out today. Now, if we pretend it's 4 days in the future, so we're looking at Thursday, Friday, you do the exact same finds and you should come up with a pretty similar number. The 29 people that got the email, we're now going to send the SMS. With the SMS, it'll load all the people with a mobile. We'll pick the template, which is end of financial year. And with this SMS, you don't really need to change anything. The template is all written. Again, if you're sending it to your clients, pick your name. If you're an admin sending it out on behalf of all the agents, assign to, confirm how many people it's going to, and then hit send. And that is how you complete your end of financial year two-step campaign this week.